what a rough peridot looks like before tumbling them, and a couple of them. The yellow one, I've got a budgie on my shoulder who wouldn't leave me alone. Look at you. Okay, where are you? There you go. See, you're talking as well, aren't you, Pedro, hey? Okay, we have to go back to our peridot. So this is a rough... So this is what a rough peridot looks like. If I could get Pedro to stop talking, we're just going to listen to you talk. Oh, now you're laughing your head off. Okay, I can't talk if you're just going to sit there and talk as well, Pedro. Can you please be quiet? Okay, thank you. So this is what a rough peridot looks like before I tumbled them. And this one's now...
Oh, I have little crinkling about inside to me. Right? Okay, that's me, Pedro. Understand me. Well, you could play. It's a good task. Do it on it. I don't think you have to. Okay. And my knees there. Chris. Okay. Okay, just pass. Your doctor here. You'll check the show me. I'm trying to push. That's good. Stop better. Hi. Use your bell. Oh, you got here. It's a bee, Pedro. You're a baby. It's just a kid. Where's the baby? Come on, come here. Please go boy. That's all. Oops. Where's that baby? Darling. Where are you, Pedro? You good, Pedro? So where are you about? This time. Go down the car. Just where are you, Pedro? Look, just by Pedro. Look. Alright. Kiss. This is Pedro. Hi. You're a good boy, Pedro. Good to be back. Okay. Bye. You just stop. Oh, I stayed. You tell me to prove it. Okay. Alright. I'll look up here. Okay, tell me, baby. Right? Tell me, baby. Go down the gate, I'm gonna Pedro. Happy about to big these days. Get this girl serving me, Pedro. You got a top server there. Kiss. Is that a lid? Okay, I'm a Pedro. Oh, you're tough here. Little girl, stop up. You're a top. Where is Pedro? Right? You go, Pedro. Where's the baby, Pedro? Right? You got me, Pedro. Hey, Pedro. Right, Pedro? You good boy, Pedro? Pass it. Don't tell me. Don't stay right there. Well, you're tough here. Let me pass. Alright? Okay. Where are you about? There is badges.
Okay, what now? Can I continue what I'm doing here, Pedro? Have you finished gas bagging? I can't do any video. I have to put you back in the cage again. Do I? Can I put you back in the cage, Pedro? Is that alright? Okay, Pedro. You're gonna be good. Let's put you back in the cage, okay?